Hi, this is Professor Drake. I would like to talk to you about all the different courses that I'll be teaching and give you some good content information that relates to those. So the courses that I teach at Battlefield High School recently include Database Design and Management and Advanced Database Design and Management, Internet Webmaster and the Advanced Certified Internet Webmaster, IT Programming with Cybersecurity, Engineering, Exploration and Robotics, Sustainability, and Renewable Energy. This year, I will be focusing on the first 3 information technology courses, offerings at Battlefield High School. The database design course, the first year, is 2 college courses, which equates to 6 dual enrolled college credits. The course focuses on 2 different elements because it's dual enrolled to 2 separate courses. The first element is on database design, and with database design, individuals truly understand the data concepts of a business environment and how they come together. It looks at how you learn what a business needs for modeling and for production, and then they learn how to model that. That then moves into how do I program that for a business, and that is the second course, which is titled Programming with SQL. They do learn all of the standard ANSI SQL statements in that course. There is a professional certification exam from Oracle available for the students at the end of the year if they achieve a 90 or higher on each of the midterms and each of the final exams. This is an example of a data modeling project that is done in the first course, the data design course. This is an example of some of the things that we'll take a look at, which is connecting data together and how it is connected together so that they understand data concepts and the connection of data concepts. Web technologies for the first year is 2 to 3 different components depending on the student's ability to finish work. We always start with the Internet Business Foundations, and this really gets into the details of how the Internet works. And from there we do jump into Site Design Foundations, which is programming in XHTML, HTML5, and CSS. And this is where they work with the website development programming. It dual enrolls to 6 college credits, and it has 2 professional certification exams required in the course. So with the what is the internet and how does it work, we do go through the concept of packets and protocols and DLLs. We look at the cyber side of things, the viruses, the worms, the Trojans, and the botnets. We learn HTML, we understand XHTML, we learn HTML5. They get a concept of XML, they learn CSS, they get to look at JavaScript and project management and database concepts. The advanced course dual enrolls to 1 college course or 3 college credits and gets much deeper into the programming work side of database connection to web development and the web itself. These are the types of things that we look at in the first part of the course, the Internet explorations portion of the course, what happens in an Internet minute, how many things are going on, the design of the Internet that allows this to happen in an Internet minute. And it's really startling when you see how much happens in just 1 minute of time. The Internet of Things is becoming a whole new industry, so we need to make sure that the students understand what the future is going to bring. So the Internet of Things is a very important element that's covered as well. And then the evolution of the internet as we're moving into the Internet of Things, what do we need to look at from a perspective of safety and for how it's going to change the way that the world is operating and the world is living. And then it's always fun to look at the connections between all the different environments and where the different products that are out there sit into what categories and support what industries so that they can see how integrated the web is with everything that happens in the world. The next course is IT Programming, Systems Design. This is dual enrolled to ITP 100, which is a 4-year college transfer systems design course. So we go through system design principles and practice. We integrate that with some programming, and then we have the cybersecurity infusion unit in this course. So this is a little slide here on what do the software engineers really do. and it kind of quickly shows that over. And then this is a lot of the different systems and software design that we do in this course. So that's an overview for you on what your students will be learning this year, and if you're not in all of those courses, it gives you a nice overview of what they could be learning in other courses. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.